Well, once we open the part, we need to extract this curve. We are in the surface, so we extract this sketch, so we convert it into a curve, and then we can create points on this curve. We can create as many points as we want, okay, and then we can create them in a new body or a new geometrical set. This is the geometrical set that we want to export. So tools, macros. We have this macro created in our lectures. So export to Excel. So we can do export this geometrical set, and then we say output spline, and we hope, let's say, you have to check these results there. So I'm gonna have a look whether this is the points I want. I hope that you found it useful.